about to try the self-cleaning oven. Up here it says self-clean. Okay, I'm gonna clean this oven with the self-clean. I already took out the trays or whatever, the racks. Okay, so there. I'm gonna do self-clean. Push on. Push on. Do you mean start? Oh. Push on? What do you mean push start? Okay. Okay, it's finished. Let's take a look. Make sure we have that light on. Other light. Wow. It took 4 hours, but this is worth it. You don't have to do the cleaning. Wow. I thought I had to do a whole lot of scrubbing afterwards. That's pretty cool. Wow. Self-cleaning for real. Wow. Oh, wow. That's crazy. The oven, it cleans itself. For real. Oh man, that's crazy. Well, that's it, folks. My oven cleaned itself. I had to open a window because it's getting kind of smoky in here from the stove. I'm still trying to do the self-clean. It has, I guess there's 3 hours left. That's crazy. See the smoke from here. I'm gonna put a fan in the window to get some of this smoke out. Got this fan going too. It's real smoky in the house, so I'm gonna go outside